Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys don't follow me on any of my social media, you should. If you don't follow me, you wouldn't know this, but I did go to Beautycon in Los Angeles, and yeah, I went with my boyfriend Aaron. It was pretty fun. It was different. It wasn't exactly how I thought it would be, but I did have a good time. I got to meet some of my favorite influencers, which again, if you follow me on my other social media, you would know that. And yeah, and I got lots of cute stuff. So I figured I would just film a haul for you guys, and I do have a little special something at the end of this video. So yeah, let's just get to this haul. I am obsessed with this makeup look. It's so cute. I can't stop looking at myself. It's just one of those days. And yeah, I did film this look for my Instagram. I will have a little Instagram tutorial up on this look. So another reason why you should follow me on my other social media. Okay, so real quick, I have a non-Beautycon store that I went to, but I wanted to include it because it's in Los Angeles. It's only in Los Angeles, only during this period of time. If you don't know what I'm talking about already, it is the KKW pop-up shop. If you do get the chance to go, I'd highly recommend it. Even if you're not going to buy anything, just looking at everything, it's very aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, so from the KKW pop-up shop, I purchased the lip liner in Nude 1, and I'm just gonna take it out, do a little swatch for you guys. So I did use this once already, and I did really like it. I would say the KKW ones are like a mix between the Kylie and the ColourPop liners. So Kylie's are my favorite. I just like the consistency of them. I don't think they're too creamy, too rough. They are just perfect. I also do really like the ColourPop ones. Those are very creamy though, and I would say these are in between. But here is the shade, and then the other item I picked up from the pop-up shop. This is the KKW Beauty Brighten Powder in the shade 3. So I've only tried this once so far, and I did really like it, but I wasn't like blown away by it, but I also wasn't having like the best makeup day all around anyways. So I definitely am excited to try it again. The first thing I bought at Beautycon, well, actually wouldn't be the first. So the first line that I got into at Beautycon was the Kylie line, and it took us 3+ hours to get through this line to get into the store. It was honestly ridiculous, and we were pissed, but luckily when we were like still farther back in the line, Aaron just said, go do whatever you want, come back. So he waited in line for me. I went to one other stand and purchased this, which I'm so excited for, and he waited in line for me at the Kylie stand. So yeah, it was rough. But besides the point, I went to the Anastasia store, and they did have a pre-launch of the Norvina palette, which was not discounted at all, but you could get it, you know, earlier than the launch date. So what did I do? I bought the Norvina palette, duh. So I'll show you guys this, and I'm obsessed with the color of this packaging. This lavender is beautiful. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this. I'm definitely gonna make a video on it, so make sure you're subscribed so that you know that you see that I got that video up. They also had a game set up at the Anastasia booth. After you bought something, you played the game. I don't really know how it worked. You had to throw like rings over stuff, I don't know, but I got a free lip gloss. So I got this lip gloss. I didn't get to pick the shade. They only have one shade. It's in the shade Vintage. Okay, so this is what Vintage looks like. It is just a pinkish gloss. Okay, so this was from day 2, but I did go to the Bioderma stand, and I just purchased the micellar water. I don't know, I bought the sensitive skin one, and this large thing was only $10, so that's lit. I've heard really, really good things about this, and I've always wanted to try it, so I figured I would just buy it there since that was such a good deal. And I also got some little samples of their soothing cream. I don't know, got some of those. Then I went to the Violet Voss shop also on day 2. I got 2 pairs of lashes. Okay, so these are in the style I Want It That Way, and then these are in the style Vamptress. And then also while I was at Violet Voss, I did get 3 of their Silly Sponge for free, so I've never tried one of these before, so I'm really excited to give these a shot. Then I'm gonna go through this big bag. So I did go to the LA Girl stand again on the second day, and I did purchase one thing, but like all of these stands had free stuff, and I threw everything into this big bag. So this is just like a combination of lots of little things, you know? So this is from the brand Freck. It is an LA based company, and yeah, this actually, one of their, I believe ambassador would be their position, I'm not sure. They came up to me while I was waiting in line for Kylie and just gave this to me for free. So I'm really, really excited to try this out and try out faux freckles. I've never done that before, so I'm really excited to see how they'll look, because I actually have a ton of freckles, but when I put makeup on, they all get covered up, so I'm excited. So this is their product there, and it looks like this. So it's just like a liquid liner almost. It's like those little dots right there. So from LA Girl, I purchased just this little brush. It was $7. I'm not sure how much it usually retails for. I do know they discount prices though. But this is just the 104 domed stippling brush, and I actually used it today for my blush. That's why I bought it. I was trying to look for something like this for my blush, so that's why I purchased it. Tested it out today and I love it. So that's what it looks like there. So it's just perfect for kind of buffing in the blush and blending it into your highlight. Then we went to this stand for this brand called Ancient Nutrition. They do make like so it's easy to mix powder that can be added to a wide variety of healthy foods and beverages, and it is like a collagen protein. So I have 2 samples here, and this is to help skin and joints. And then we also had to take a picture with their like sign that they had, and if you posted it, you got free stuff. So we did that, and these are the items that I got. So I did get this cute tank top. It says coffee and collagen because mornings and wrinkles. And then Erin, but it's mine, got this cute coffee mug. It says gin and juice crossed out and replaced with coffee and collagen. Okay, what is this? This is just a micellar rose water cleanser shampoo and a rose water conditioner sample from this brand Palmer's. And this is like a all natural brand. So Clean and Clear launched their new brand called CNC. These are just samples of their Cooling Mint Pore Cleanser. And then I also got some cute little stickers from them. This one says Total Zen, which matches this. How do I show this? I don't know. She put it on kind of crooked. There, you can kind of see it now. Okay, so I got this little temporary tattoo. It also says Total Zen. They had It's like a cute little station stuff. Then I got this little bag from, it just says Clay, or it says Slay from Claws on TNT. I did get 2 of these packets. So this is the K Beauty Oasis Boost 1017. Is basically just a little kit of tons of skincare things. So it's all Korean beauty, just samples. At NYX, I was actually really sad because I didn't know that they were sold out of the new foundation that they launched, and they had the line all set up still and shade matching you. So I got in line, waited in line, signed up for the thing they had you sign up for, got my shade match, and then I go up to the front and the lady handed me a brush, and I was just like, okay, where do I buy the foundation? And she's like, oh, we're all out. You can go buy it at Ulta on August 13th or whenever it launches. And I was just like, oh, okay. And anyways, they did give me a brush though for free, which is awesome. And I don't know if this is the brush that they are launching with the foundation. It does look like it to me though. It is a foundation brush. It is the brush 22, and I really like it. It's like denser in the middle here, but then looser here. So I like that. That's very interesting. Then from Skin Fix, these I got for free. I got a little sample of their inked tattoo balm, which I'm really excited to try. It has coconut oil and orange peel extract, and I did get a free lip balm from them. This is the Natural Coconut Mint Lip Repair Balm. It is 40% coconut oil, and this is amazing. I've been using it every day already, and I love it. Okay, then I got a clear pink fanny pack from the Target Beauty stand. I got this black liner for free. I got 2 of them from Pop Beauty. I only got a few more things left. Then I stopped at the Black Opal stand, and they were just giving away free little samples of their lipsticks. I went to the Essence stand, and they actually had this really cool booth set up to make your own lip gloss, and I was really sad because unfortunately once I got up to the front they told us that they were all out of white and pink. Or no, they were all out of white, so you couldn't make any pinks or nudes. And I'm like, what else am I gonna make besides a nude? So I ended up creating this color here, and I actually did vlog Beautycon, not like the best. It's my first time vlogging, and I did not prepare myself for it at all. But I did vlog a little, and Erin did a little too, so we did actually get a pretty good video of me creating the lip gloss, so that'll be up on my channel as well. And that is the color I created. And I really like it. It has a lot of glitter in it. I'm gonna put it on right now, because who cares? Ooh. That's cute. What else did I get from Essence? Oh, so then for free, I got tons of little goodies from them. So I got a lipstick for free in the shade Cool Nude. That is it right there. It's like a pretty lavender mauve-y nude. And then I also got their dip eyeliner. Okay, and then last but not least, I got the Essence Shape and Shadows Eye Contouring Palette for free, which I thought was awesome. And this is what the inside looks like. Okay, and last but certainly not least, I did get stuff at the Kylie booth after, you know, waiting that long in it. Might as well. I purchased this phone case for, it was $15, and it's for the 7 or 8 plus, and it just has her pink lip logo on it. Then I purchased the Kylie Summer Palette, which is the palette that I used for this look today. So this is the palette here, and that is what it looks like. Also, in my last video, the Get Ready With Me, I used this palette for my eye look for day 2 of Beautycon. And then this is actually the lip that I have on too. It's in the video. This is the Kylie lipstick in the shade Tangerine. And I'm obsessed with this formula. Like this and this color, but like this formula is just amazing. I don't need to swatch it. You guys saw what it looked like on, but it's beautiful. And then last, I did get a free keychain from the Kylie store. Thought that was pretty cool. Okay, so since I got a lot of duplicates and just things that I didn't really need from Beautycon, and I've also had a ton of extra makeup that is brand new, like completely unused, unopened stuff that has been in a drawer that I've been waiting to do this for, so I decided that I would run a giveaway on my channel for you guys. So I'm gonna be putting it on here. It'll also be on Instagram, and I'll have all the details below in the description box, so make sure you read that to find out how to enter the giveaway. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what you will win right now. Okay guys, so this is the giveaway. So I have the K-Beauty packet of goodies from the Korean skincare. We have a few things from NYX here. I have the Away We Glow highlighter, these 2 soft matte lip creams. It's the shade London in Copenhagen. I have a mini of the glitter glue for you guys to try out. We have the sample from Black Opal of their lipsticks, the Pop Beauty liner, the lipstick and liner from Essence, as well as that little brow palette, which is so cute. I have the Pure Creamed to Powder Concealer in the shade Medium. I got some brushes here, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, the Violet Voss Silly Sponge. I have a liquid lipstick from Anastasia in the shade Grim. An Urban Decay eyeliner in the shade Zero, pair of Morphe lashes, and then down here is just a few extra little goodies. We got a face scrub, another eyeliner, lip scrub. This is a mauve lipstick, and then this beautiful gold like pressed pigment shadow. Okay, so yeah, this is everything you guys will be winning in the giveaway. And I hope you guys like this. If this goes well, I'll definitely do more giveaways in the future. I have more stuff. I did not put out everything, so there are definitely more giveaways to come. Anyways, if you guys liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys like this look, go check out my Instagram. It is at jazzsummer_. I've been doing Instagram tutorials, so I have a few different makeup tutorials up there. And you can also see some of my Beautycon pics if you're interested in that. And yeah, I think that's all I got. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye.